Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off standby mode on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first things first that I want to tell you is that this only works on iOS 17 because only iOS 17 devices have the option for standby mode. And to turn off standby mode is really simple. All we have to do is go to the settings of our device. So let's go to settings. Right here, now we're in settings, all we have to do is scroll down a little bit and then you can see the standby mode option, which is right here. So you want to click on it, and right here you simply want to turn off or you want to turn on by toggling the switch right here. So if you want to turn off it, make sure that it looks like this one right here, and that's basically it. You have now successfully turned off your standby mode. But if you want to improve it, like if you are wondering if you are in iOS 17, because you would need iOS 17 in order for you to access standby mode, then you can go into general and go into software update, and from here you would know what version you have right here. As you can see, mine is already in iOS 17 because my next update is this one right here. Or you can just go here on about right here and you can see the current version of your iOS right there. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching.